Hi everybody, so the kids are officially back to school and that means mornings are crazy around here. So I wanted to come up with a few recipes that would make it easy for us to get out the door in the morning. So pre-making our recipes ahead of time, making them in bulk so you can put them in the freezer and then just take them out and go. So I came up with a really healthy muffin recipe that kids love a lot, overnight oatmeal, and a really yummy egg casserole. Okay, so I would love to know what recipes you like. Let me know, drop me a line, and I might make them in the future. So of course, make sure you subscribe, give us a thumbs up. We'd love it if you'd share this along with your friend and click on those post notifications so you know next time we make a video. Bye.